Welcome to my garden. It is October, but it still feels like summer. The garden is over its peak, but I'm trying to have it look as best as possible. Therefore I keep on deadheading the cosmos. It makes them look nicer, but also stimulates new flowers to bloom and keep them flowering well into autumn. It is time to clip the box domes. For me, the easiest way to cut this dome shape is to keep the shears upside down because it already has a curve, and then you can follow the curve of the dome just all the way around. Before I start clipping the box, I always lay a sheet on the ground. It makes it much easier to tidy up the clippings. To follow the curve of the dome, I turn my shears the wrong way up. As you might see, my box has suffered a bit from box caterpillars, but I use an organic spray once a month during the growing season. It doesn't affect other animals and it works quite good as long as I stay on top of it. I find the top of the box easiest to cut with the shears the right side up, so I keep on turning the shears. So now let's clip the last box dome. I have these bugs at least 18 years now and I have grown them from very small plants. They were already in my previous garden and I brought them with me when I moved to this house. I just love topiary bugs. Hopefully I will have them for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next one I will be planting lots of spring bulbs. Thank you ever so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time. So for me the easiest way to cut this dome shape